In this video, I'll break down my top 5 food scales, my experiences, and which food scales I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order starting with the 5th ranked food scale, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best food scale and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each food scale, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Greater Goods Food Scale. The Greater Goods Food Scale is a sleek and practical kitchen tool designed for precision and ease of use. Its low-profile design makes it easy to store, and the inclusion of multiple units of measurement, grams, ounces, milliliters, and pounds, caters to various cooking and baking needs. The scale features a tare function, which is particularly useful for meal prep and consistent coffee brewing. Users appreciate its lightweight yet solid construction, as well as the extra battery provided. Pros include its accuracy, user-friendly interface, and the convenience of the tare option. The scale's slim design and ease of cleaning are also significant advantages. However, some users have reported issues with the scale not always changing units from ounces to grams smoothly, which can be frustrating. Additionally, while the glass used is durable, it is still breakable, so careful handling is necessary. At number 4, we have the Nicewell Food Scale. The Nicewell Food Scale is a must-have tool for cooking, portion control, and dieting. It has a sleek design with a stainless steel and tempered glass surface, making it easy to clean and adding a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. The scale is designed with high-precision load sensors, providing accurate measurements in increments of 1 gram or 0.1 ounce. It has a large capacity, able to weigh up to 22 pounds of ingredients. The scale features an easy-to-read LCD display and a convenient tare function, which allows for the subtraction of the weight of containers, making it easy to get accurate readouts of ingredients. However, despite its many advantages, some users have reported that the scale malfunctions when exposed to water, so it's important to avoid immersing it in water or using it in a wet environment. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale. The Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale is a practical tool for cooking, baking, portion control, and dieting. It features a stainless steel platform and a wide LCD screen, providing a clear view of measurements. The scale is capable of weighing up to 11 pounds, making it suitable for a variety of kitchen tasks. It's praised for its ease of use and exceptional performance, offering a budget-friendly option for those seeking precision in their culinary endeavors. One of the key features of this scale is its ability to reset the tare, allowing you to measure multiple ingredients in the same bowl. This feature is particularly useful for baking or when following a recipe that requires precise measurements. However, the scale is not without its drawbacks. It rounds to the nearest gram, which may not be precise enough for tasks requiring milligram-level measurements. Despite this, the scale is generally reliable and offers a good range of measurement for a kitchen scale. In terms of design, the black and stainless steel aesthetic adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. It's lightweight, portable, and runs on household batteries, making it a convenient addition to your kitchen tools. At number 2, we have the Vitafit 33 pounds Kitchen Food Scale. The Vitafit Kitchen Food Scale is a sleek, high-capacity scale with a maximum weight limit of 33 pounds. It's designed with a clear LED display that's easy to read, and its slim profile makes it easy to store. The scale is known for its accuracy, with a precision of 0.1 ounces or 1 gram, ensuring precise measurements for cooking or baking. It's also user-friendly, featuring high-precision load batteries for accurate weighing and a tare function for measuring multiple ingredients in the same container. The scale is also easy to clean, requiring just a dry towel or damp cloth. However, some users have suggested that the addition of a hold button or moving the touch buttons to the side could improve usability. The scale's durability is ensured by its 304 stainless steel construction, and it's powered by a rechargeable battery, making it convenient for regular use. Despite its high capacity, the scale maintains a compact size, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. At number 1, we have the Etekcity Food Scale. The Etekcity Food Scale is a versatile kitchen tool designed to simplify and enhance your cooking, baking, and portion control routines. It features a slim design and a clear LCD display, ensuring accurate measurements. The scale is easy to use, reliable, and has a sleek design that fits well in modern kitchens. It offers precise measurements in various units, making it suitable for different types of ingredients. The scale's large platform and high maximum weight capacity allow for measuring larger quantities of food. However, some users have found the scale not to be intuitive to use out of the box. Despite this, the Etekcity Food Scale is a valuable tool for anyone looking to maintain control over their food portions and ingredients. So that sums up my top 5 food scales I hope you enjoyed. You can check out other top 5 videos on my channel by clicking below.